Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing the subscription box from Airsoft Operators Box. I've had a couple of these before and I'm always really happy with them, so cannot wait to get into this. So we'll just get straight into it. So, first thing I can see is a ammo box. Oh, yeah, there is stuff inside it. So put that to one side real quick. We'll go through what is in there in a second. As usual, I've got my Smooth Operators hot chocolate. Very nice. Put that to the side. As well as a rubber knife and sheath, which is really cool. I've already got a rubber knife, but I've not got one with a sheath, so this is gonna, yeah, that's really cool. Nice one. I think as well on this, I've also got the prices of the stuff. So I mean, yeah, we'll go through that afterwards. So that's all that's in the box at the minute, except for this, which is just the price list. Put this to one side. Okay, so far we've got the knife, we've got the hot chocolate, we've got the tin, and then inside I'm going to try not to give it all away before getting it out, although it might be hard. What have we got here? I've got no idea. It might be, looks like something that might go on to your rail of your gun. Let's have a look. Yeah, so this is a rail cover set. Pretty cool. Just covers up the rail. Yeah. Yeah, another thing I like about these boxes is that you always receive some kind of like an upgrade for your guns. Yeah, you always get something like this in there. So this is a hop-up rubber. I mean, I've not really done anything in terms of upgrading my guns or anything, but I do want to get into it. I do want to have a look at what I can do and what I can tinker with them. So having these back is going to be pretty decent, to be honest. Next we have this patch, quite nice really, quick violent over. Yeah, I like that. What else have we got in here? We've got a mug. Nice mug. That'll go with a mug. I'm happy about that. And oh, okay, and a speed loader, no pro. Got loads of speed loaders, but it's always handy to have. Yeah. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm gonna try and lay this all out so you can see it all, and then I will go through the prices of the stuff. I mean, I paid £33.99 for this, and then obviously for the postage, but for the actual box it's £33.99. So we've got the ammo box, and then we've got rail covers, hot chocolates, patch, if I can try and stand that on there, the tactical knife, speed loader, and the hop-up upgrade. So, oh, and the mug. Bring you guys a little bit closer. So this is what I got. Okay, so for the, let's get a calculator running as well, just because who has time to calculate things in their heads. Okay, so for the hot chocolate, it is £5.99. Okay, put that to one side. What we've got next, I don't have the BBs. The mug is £5.99. The rail cover set is also £5.99. The training knife is £14.99. The ammo tin is £6.95. What's next? The patch is £5.99. The hop-up upgrade is £6.99. And I don't have a price for the speed loader, so what I'll do is have a real quick look up and I'll find a price for it. Okay, yeah, so this is £5.49. So £5.49 equals. Alright, okay. So that is really good. So for everything in the box, it comes up to £58.38. I pay £33.99 every month, plus the postage, which only brings it to about £36. So yeah, got some good stuff in this, and once again, another happy month for the box. I've also got the £100 mystery box that I've now got from these, that I'm going to be unboxing straight after this. So stick around and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you enjoyed.